What about graphing lines using a point and a slope? It says graph the line with a slope of 3 that passes through -3, -4. So the first thing we want to do when we graph lines using a point and a slope is use the point that they give us. So they gave us -3 and -4. So we're going to find that on our graph. So we have 1, 2, -3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is our point. Now from this point, we're going to use our slope of 3 to figure out what we need to do. So now if our slope is equal to 3, we know that all whole numbers have an invisible 1 in its denominator. So that means from our slope of 3, our rise is going to be 3, and our run is going to be 1. So we're going to rise 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to run 1 right here. So if I just show you this, we rose 3 and we ran 1. The last thing we need to do once we have our second line is to draw a line through these 2 points. And we do something like this. It's close-ish. And so there is our line. Let's do another one. It gives us a slope of -4/3, and it passes through the line 2, 3. So the first thing we do is we find 2, 3 on our graph right here. This is 2, 3. Then we use our slope, which is rise over run, to make our line. Now notice here, our slope is negative. That means it's not going to be pointing the same way as our last one did. It means it's going to rise from the left and slope down on the right side. So, because we know this, we go down 4 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 3. 1, 2, 3. And our second plot goes here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1. Okay? Last thing we do is we draw our line through that. Let's see if I can manage that. I mostly managed it. And there is our line.